So before we start to get know more about plant habitats, let us first see what is habitat. The natural surroundings in which a plant grows or an animal lives is called its habitat. सो वो नेचुरल सराउंडिंग जहाँ पे कोई प्लांट और एनिमल या कोई भी अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म सरवाइव कर रहे हैं, ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो उस जगह को कहते हैं हैबिटेट. सो आई रिपीट द डेफिनेशन. द नेचुरल सराउंडिंग्स इन विच अ प्लांट ग्रोज और एन एनिमल लिव्स इज कॉल्ड इट्स हैबिटेट. नाउ जब वो वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर हैबिटेट में रह रहे हैं, तो दैट टाइम दे विल डेवलप सम स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर सराउंडिंग्स. ठीक है, सराउंडिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंगली कुछ फीचर्स डेवलप करेंगे टू सर्वाइव एंड टू ग्रो एट दैट प्लेस. दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड एडेप्टेशन. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एडेप्टेशन? Plants growing in a particular habitat develop some specific features that help them to survive and flourish there. This property is called adaptation. Okay, students? So, on the basis of habitats, that is their natural surrounding, plants can be broadly divided into two types. What are those two types? One is terrestrial or land plants and the other one is aquatic or water plants. Okay. First, let us talk about terrestrial or land plants. So what are terrestrial plants? Plants that grows on land are called terrestrial plants. Okay. Now on the basis of their occurrence, they are divided or classified like the following ways. Okay, so the first one will be plants of hilly or mountain region. ठीक है, so let us find out what are the features of these plants. First feature is they are generally tall and thin. This feature helps them in trapping the sunlight. Okay, as in hilly areas there are less of sunlight, so they are tall. Okay, so that to trap the sunlight. Now these trees are generally cone shaped with sloping branches. Why cone shaped? This is because it helps snow to slide off easily. Due to this shape, they are referred as coniferous plants or conifers. Okay. Now what about the leaves of such plants? The leaves of such plants are needle-like. Okay, their shape helps leaf to face cold and snow. Okay, now there are few examples of such hilly plants that grow on hilly or mountain region. Those are pine, fir, deodar, etc. ठीक है. Next, moving on to plants of plain region. There are variation of plants for the plain region. What are the features of these plants? These trees have lots of leaves with branches spread around. इनके बहुत सारे leaves होते हैं and branches होते हैं जो बहुत area cover करके spread होते हैं. ठीक है. Now, their leaves are flat and thin. Why is this so? This is because it helps in evaporating the excess water and keep them cool. Okay, that is why their leaves are flat and thin. Now the plants that grows on plain region shed all their leaves mostly in winters, and when spring comes the new leaves grow again. ठीक है, वो अपने लीव्स कब शेड करते हैं? ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन. एंड न्यू लीव्स कब ग्रो करते हैं? व्हेन स्प्रिंग कम्स. सो लेट अस सी few examples of plants that grows on plain region. This could be peepal, shisham, mulberry, etc. are the example of trees that grow in plains. moving on to the next topic, that is plants of coastal areas. Now before we move on to this variation, let us see what we have learned in today's lesson. So in this part 1 video, we have learned what is habitat, what is called adaptation. Then we learned about terrestrial plants, that plants that grow on lands. So we learned about 2 of them, that is plants of hilly region. Examples will be pine or fir, deodar. Here I have given you the picture of as such. Okay? Now we also learned about plants of plain region. Examples will be peepal, neem, shisham. These are the examples of plants of plain region. So that is all for part 1 video. In part 2, we will discuss more about this chapter. So stay tuned and thank you.